Why are veils so ridiculously expensive? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different types of veils. I happen to make my own veil for my wedding day, so I thought this would be a really appropriate video. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and let's get into the video. The first one we're going to try our hands on is the drop veil. Using this piece of paper, just so that you can see what I'm doing better. Just fold your tool lengthwise and fold again. And here I'm using this paper as a guide to how I'm going to cut the edge of the tool. So all you need to do is round off the edge and your paper or your tool is going to look like this. Next, I wrapped some tulle fabric around a comb and used a hat pin to secure it. So just take your comb, put it exactly where you want it to be on your head, put the veil over your head and adjust the blusher length to how long you want it to be, and then weave the hat pin through the tool just like this, and that is it. When they say you may kiss the bride, voila! Next, I'm going to show you how to make a mantilla veil. This time, fold your tool widthwise and fold again. And now we're going to try to make a circle out of this. Starting from the middle point, measure the same length all the way around, and then you trace it and cut. That is it. And by the time you unfold it, what you have is a circle. Now take a really nice lace trim, I used a cheap one for illustration purposes, and start to pin that lace trim all around your circle. Just pin it all the way around. No shortcuts here, you have to pin it, and then you sew it down with an invisible thread. You have to sew it, no gluing, no shortcuts, have to sew, and then sew a comb facing inwards. And that's the way you make a mantilla veil. You can hook it wherever you want on your head. Use the really cheap lace trim, that's why it's all over the place, but if you use a thick one, it will lay really flat. And then you can take this mantilla veil and use it as a drop veil, securing it just as you did the previous drop veil. And that's so fantastic. I was really happy with this. Now let's learn how to make a birdcage veil. This is one of the easiest veils to make. All you need to do is measure the circumference of your head, cut out that length, fold that length widthwise, and then cut it at an edge and sew all the way around. Really, it is that easy. You can make it in your sleep. Just sew all the way around, do running stitches all the way around. So here I'm just cutting out the circumference of my head, cutting it at an edge, and then I'm going to start sewing all the way around. But I'm going through those where the net intersects just so that it's more secure, and then just do running stitches that you can pull all the way around. No other type of stitch, just running stitches. Now check if it's the same length as your comb. Wrap some tulle around the edge of your comb. You know, here I'm just securing it and then I cut it off. And then what I did was to sew the edge of that birdcage veil to the tulle wrapped end. What on earth am I saying? But you get the gist, right? To neaten the edge, just take a bow. I made this out of simple ribbon, and then you glue it onto the rough edge just to make everything neat and seamless. And that is it. Put it on your head, secure it with bobby pins, fluff it out how you want. That is how you make a simple birdcage veil. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.